My name is Bob Heilman, owner and operator of Tuff Stuff Detail Garage, and this is the Tuff Stuff Mobile. At Tuff Stuff Detail Garage, we're Northern New Jersey's premier mobile detailing service, offering everything from paint corrections, ceramic coatings, interior and exterior detailing, and a whole lot more. We understand that your time is important to you. Let's take a walk through the van so you can see what it's all about, what we're all about, and let's see if we're the right detail business for you. We designed our mobile detailing van to be as efficient and self-contained as we possibly can. We carry our own water, our own power, and everything that we need to get the job done at home or at work. And we have everything from our car soaps to our sealants to our all-purpose cleaners and all the way down to our tire shine. We have all of our premier microfiber towels stationed up top. We made a point of putting a lot of our equipment on reels. This allows us to grab our equipment and be able to run and get started right away. Everything from our vacuum to our carpet extractor, and even our air compressor all pulls out to make it as easily accessible as possible. We have all of our detailing brushes and all of our tools that we need to make sure that we can adequately clean all the little nooks and crannies that most places and your general car washes are not going to be able to get into. Here at Tuff Stuff Detail Garage, we love what we do. We take pride in what we do. However, we enjoy seeing those smiles on your faces when you see the results of our work. That honestly is what we live for. We look forward to the road ahead and you joining us on this beautiful journey. We hope you have some fun.